Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to freeze a frame in a video in CapCut. So we're here in CapCut. We have a clip, a short one, on our hands, and now we just have to find a specific moment in a video that we want to freeze. Let's say the woman raises hands or something like that. Let's go right here, and there is this little icon. When we click on a video, right here, that freezes. So it automatically adds a period of this video and it freezes it for 3 seconds. If you want to regulate the time and make it longer or shorter, you just grab either the end or the beginning and change the time, change for how long it's going to freeze. And let's freeze this one and another 3 seconds being added, so just edit it this way. So I guess that was it. So make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.